What is up, you bunch of savages? Savage Mr. here. I'm at Six Flags on the very last night of Hallow Fest. When the sun comes up on November 1st, I'm done with Halloween. I'm ready for Christmas. But you know what? There's one more day of it. Let's come out and see the creepers one more time. And also, the train is open again. I think I hear it. Yep, I just heard it. Let's try to get a ride on that thing. Listen. Sounds like it's back here. Okay, since the train is just there and circling around, I'm gonna head over here and check out some creeper zones and see who's working tonight on the last night. Just saw some savages and they said it's like an hour wait to get on the train, and it's only a one way. You can't do the whole park. You have to get off, so everybody can get a chance. Look at these dudes. Ah! You won't be able to do that to me tomorrow or the next week. You know what? Let's go right to the Boomtown station and see what it looks like as far as weight goes. Come on, let's go. There's Bob. Good to see you again, Bob. Bye, Bob. Hope you're back here next year, Bob. Bye, Bob. That's Bob. Well, there definitely is a line. That's for sure. Starting here. Yikes. Might as well hop in it, right? I just met Matthew. Hey, Matthew, I didn't put you on camera. Sorry about that. But I was over there at that train station, and he said, I got on at the other train station, and there was no wait at all. So let's go to that one. Let's make our way around to that one then. Coming over here to the invisible growler. Let's see if we can capture a scare. There's a few people. I might not even know. The light's on again. Oh my God, they're playing The Freaks Come Out at Night by Houdini. That is old school, man, for real. All right, my favorite creeper zone of Hallow Fest. Let's go in. Hey, I know that guy. Dude.
You missed the best scare. You got one, the guy got this off the ground.
Oh, dude.
Exactly.
All right.
And the train opened up.
Yeah, I haven't been on it yet.
We got to get on it. It's nothing changed.
Mm-hmm. Just normal, huh?
We just gotta get the train running.
It's just been so long. It's been over a year.
Yeah, so we gotta get running again.
Yeah, the last time it was open, you were like 3 or something, weren't you?
I was
We got Madison here. She's a little savage slider and all that kind of thing. Dang. And there's Dad.
How was Halloween?
It was good. Hey, I know that person. Dude. Did y'all have fun on the what, shockwave?
Yeah, it was my first time this year.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, it's because I haven't road trip played in 2019.
Dang.
Yeah, it's old.
See the train come by? Here it comes.
Yeah, dude, let's go see the train. Even the creeper wants to see the train. Maybe she's gonna shock people as they're riding by on the train. She got him. Oh, dude. Yes. Whoa. He was just looking at you. Wow.
That nigga came alive. What's up with it,
You came alive too. Dude.
He goes.
Oh man. Not a flinch. Didn't work, did it? That was the biggest failure I've ever seen. Dude, it wasn't even close. All right, we got a few scares there. Let's get around to this station and see about getting on it. Come on the train. Let's go. There's the trick-or-treat trail. Bye, trick-or-treat trail. I didn't get to have any of your candy, but maybe you'll come back next. Actually, hopefully this won't come back next year, and there will be a haunt here. Yes, a haunt. The crowds are a little on the light side tonight. Hobgoblin Bridge, check that out a bit. Let's go see about getting on the train. Here's the line. There's an attendant up here stopping us from going. There are people already in there, and they're telling these people, thanks for riding the train and get off. So maybe we're about to be let on. Yay! They're letting us in to get on the train. Ooh, there's a creepy dude. Let's get on the train. We got every other row blocked off. This is how far back this giant line is. Dang. But it's the first time the train has been running in almost a year and a half. Do you hear me? Almost a year and a half. Dang, bro.
We have a 119-year-old steam engine. We're just waiting for her to build up a little pressure, and then we'll be on our way.
I think the Giant was doing at least 88 miles an hour because I think its flux capacitor kicked in.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we go.
Here we go, yay! We're moving, man.
If you look to your left, you will see the great and one and only Texas Giant.
Well, we've seen it for the past 20 minutes sitting here.
And to your left, you will see the original 18 cars that were built in Cleburne, Texas.
All right. There we go. And there's the
over 30 stories tall.
the snow slide. What do you call it? Snow hill.
Opened in 1978 as the world's first roller coaster with 2 consecutive reviews. After climbing straight up.
Hi. I bet they
Also
were like,
on your left
it
is
was
the
nice when the
Six
train was
Flags
when we had to wave at it every time it came
I've
by.
heard that those cars go so
they do.
fast.
Beautiful.
Just up ahead and on your right is Superman Tower of Power. At over 32 stories, it's the tallest ride of its kind in
Haven't
North
seen that in a
America.
while.
To real fast in under just 4 seconds, sending them to heights of over 22 stories tall.
Boomtown Station. Please keep in mind, please stay seated until the train comes to a complete stop. Once the engineer gives the 1 toot on the whistle and I give you the release, you may stand up and exit the train to your far right, to your back of the train. Thank you for riding the Texas State Railroad.
We're coming into the station. Yeah, coming into the station. The station I was going to use first. There's quite a few people. There's still a lot more. So yeah, the good thing I went over there when I did. Thanks, Matthew. That helped quite a bit. Look at all these folks. No, forget all those games. I'm not skilled enough. But this, man, I can beat the crap out of this one. That one I can, but that one, nope, that's too tough. I'm stupid. Gone, dude. Oh! See you later. She's like, nope, not me. There it goes. And there she goes. Woo! She's gone. That's all it takes. Uh-oh, John's getting the good scares tonight. I like it. Uh-oh, he's pointing one out. Uh-oh, he's got a favorite. He's got a favorite. Uh-oh, she's going. Dang. That's fun stuff right there. Yeah. The GoPro? Yeah, I'm getting all these scares over here. He called my camera, I hope. By the way, is that whole recording? What the hell? It's a standoff. Uh-oh. It's almost a runoff. He's like, okay, not gonna... It's like chess. And he's gone. Checkmate. Uh-oh. Got a live one. Her name is Shaka Khan. Uh-oh. And there she goes. he got some more. Dang. On the run, man. Some good ones tonight. Get on Shaka Khan. Uh-oh. You are messing with him. It's the Chainsaw Cowboy. I'm a cowboy with a chainsaw I slice. Texas Chainsaw Massacre over here at the Southern Palace. Watch out, Elizabeth, don't let him get you.
I know him.
Oh.
Okay, savage mister. No, here it comes now.
No, take a little off the top right there if you don't mind.
I'm gonna give you a time. Here we go.
Yeah! Oh, yeah! Thank you, sir.
Beautiful, that's beautiful.
Much better, thank you. Uh-oh, that's good. They are gone. I don't even think they made it on camera. They were gone. He's like salt in the hand. Dude, that's good. So the creeper keeps them occupied while Jared hits them with a snarl, and then they boom.
Camera?
Oh yes.
No!
Go to Savage Mister on YouTube and you'll see it.
Go to what?
Savage Mister on YouTube.
I used to watch you. Oh my
Oh, do you? Awesome. Yeah, check. I should have it uploaded tomorrow or the next day.
Famous. No, you're not.
No, you're not, because I'm not even famous. So good luck. That was pretty awesome. Uh-oh. Have a good one. Whoa. Dang, dude. Got him on the run. Uh-oh. It cut out. He's running out of gas. I don't think he wants anybody in this area. He just wants them gone. All right. See you next year, hopefully.
Right. Thank you for coming.
Yes, sir. Bye, I'll see you next year. Haven't decomposed. Bye, Dad Joke Ghost. I hope I don't see you next year. Hope they put something better here next year. Yeah, giggle it up. Here's the last scare zone that I haven't seen yet tonight. Oinky the Wonder Pig and Beaky Beakerton. Grow up, idiot. Uh-oh, this girl's not a happy camper. Whoa! Donkey and Beaky are getting on the final night. They're getting on scares in. I like it. This girl's holding on to her family member with her right arm. So I've still got a free left arm I can hit them with. If she ain't gonna hit nothing, she's gonna run. There she goes. Dang. She's like, what? He's like, what I do? Dang. That's good. Oh, here comes a few of them. They're all high stepping like, I got this. He turned around. Hey. Okay, come on, y'all can do it. There she goes. She got through. Oh, geez. Epic. All right, bye, Oinky and Beaky. I'll see y'all next year. Those are probably the final scares of 2020, man. Dang. Well, to do with Hallow Fest anyway, or Six Flags. Not Rona. We still got a little bit of that to mess with. All right, this is the last time that I'll see this. This was the best thing that they put in. It's so awesome. Good, lovely idea. I just hope they bring it back next year. Please do. May as well, since you took out the fountain. Bring this back next year, please. This is really clever. I especially like that one because that was one of my favorite rides when I was a children. Bye, dude. Till next year, even though you give me bad comments, stop leaving terrible comments like this on my videos, bro. That's not cool. Daniel! There's Daniel again. I don't ever put you on camera. Whenever y'all see Daniel, bro.
What's
Daniel,
up?
bro. Y'all say hi to him. He's taking care of the park. I like it. Daniel! If I don't see y'all again, see y'all next year. Bye! All right, I'm grabbing me some secret menu cheesesteak quesadilla to go. That's it for me. Lovely Haunt Fest, Six Flags. I think y'all did good. I think y'all did pretty dang good considering all the world of crap. Thanks for coming through, at least doing something. Appreciate that to all you scare actors. Good job. Dude.
Again?
I'm stalking you now. That's Brian. But as I was saying, thanks to all you scare actors for doing what you do. We appreciate it. And I hope y'all didn't get too many jerks messing with y'all this year. Appreciate all of you. And yeah, so that's it for me. Until next haunt season. Well, you'll see me again in another video, but the last one from the haunt season until 2021. I'll see y'all then. Y'all stay savage.
Thanks for watching Savage Mr.
Like, subscribe, and share, and send money.